Ito po ay isang information drive ng Bangko Sentral kasama yung financial services industry, no? Layon talaga natin dito na mag-promote ng tinatawag nating cyber hygiene sa ating financial consumers. Para maprotektahan po yung ating mga sarili, kailangan nating mag-practice ng CPR. So, C, check. Always check po kung legitimate ang ating katransact, kung correct yung ating information, kung kausap natin ay talaga bang taga-bangko. And then yung P po is protect. Siyempre, kung personal data natin ang hinihingi, OTP o kaya password na hinihingi, magduda na po tayo kasi yung mga banks and financial institutions na legitimate, they will never ask us for that information kasi it's one of the multi-factor authentications po na hinihingi nila na dapat yung account holder lang yung nakakaalam. So they will never ask us for that. No, or report to the financial institution para again ma-block nila or makagawa sila ng action para hindi matuloy yung transaction. Check, protect, report to protect ourselves and our accounts from financial cybercrime.